about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm already out, headed off to Sterling. I'm gonna find me that friggin' ball, J&M. So, wish me luck. Bye. Look at this. There's like dumpsters everywhere. There's an 18-wheeler box right there. I'm gonna go see what's in that. Holy shit. What the hell went on out here? Yep, just out here in the middle of the woods. Let's find out together, shall we? Holland Express. Just a bunch of junk in here. Ooh, an old shovel. Look at that old shovel right there. Look at that handle. Man, that's old. Wow. Check this out. Yeah, check that out. Fireplace out in the middle of nowhere. Out in the middle of nowhere. So, what the actual crap. Just wow. It's pouring out, by the way, guys. Pouring. I feel like I'm on a wild goose chase. Wow. Look at all this old shit. Toilet. Oh, shit. Hey, there's some hay. Hey. Hey. Wow. Yeah, it's pouring out. Here's the door. There's your oil can, or whatever the hell this was. Some old oil. Holy shit, it's over here. Let me check over here. I think I'm in the right area. Don't give me a challenge, I'll kill myself trying to fucking do it. Oh my god. Hell yeah. There's the Coca-Cola cooler. There's that stove. Holy shit. How am I gonna get over there? It's like pouring out. It's like a river runs through it over here. Damn. I promise to love it and cherish it forever until I decide to hide it. The search is over.